Introducing knotless netting technology, a game-changer in the world of fishing. Knotless netting eliminates traditional knots, utilizing seamless construction for enhanced strength and durability. Knotless nets offer flexibility in how they are built, with two key factors. Firstly, with yarn thickness. With knotless nets, flexibility reigns supreme. You can mix yarn thicknesses for different parts of the net. And when it comes to thread interlacing, you have options, whether to intertwine just the looping threads or involve both looping and base threads. Imagine fishing nets made of materials stronger than steel, yet lighter than ever before, that is, synthetic fibers. Synthetic fiber fish nets, crafted from nylon, polyester, polypropylene, and HDPE, offer unmatched strength and durability. These materials offer a combination of strength, durability, and weight that make them ideal for fishing applications. The advantages over traditional nets are: they create less drag in the water. This means boats use less fuel to pull them, saving money and helping the environment. Plus, synthetic nets are much stronger and lighter than old nets, so they don't break easily and they're easier to handle. Example: Armid fibers, Kevlar, UHMWPE, biodegradable plastic etc. are recent introductions to the fishing gear material sector. Armid fiber. This have medium to very high tensile strength, medium to low elongation to break, and moderate to very high modulus. Next, Kevlar. It is used in the fishing sector as netting, fishing rod and fishing line. The strength to weight ratio of Kevlar is high. On a weight basis, it is 5 times as strong as steel and 10 times as strong as aluminium. In seawater, Kevlar ropes are up to 95% lighter than steel ropes of comparable strength. Let's know about another super material, sapphire. Sapphire netting, made from specialized polymers, comes in twisted and braided forms. It offers the highest knot-breaking strength, stability, and uniformity, making it ideal for trawl nets, cage culture, and predator protection nets due to its high strength-to-weight ratio. Braided twine stops mud and drag, used for gill nets in Maharashtra, India. Let's know about UHMWPE. Also known as High Modulus Polyethylene, HMPE, or High Performance Polyethylene, HPPE, is a thermoplastic. It has extremely low moisture absorption, very low coefficient of friction, is self-lubricating and is highly resistant to abrasion. Available as Dyneema and Spectra. UHMWPE netting is 3 times stronger than nylon of the same dimension. Nylon purse seines last for about 2 to 3 years, while UHMWPE netting ensures 2 to 3 times longer life.